Good morning, students. Lesson 3, Creating Tables in Word 2013. Our today's topics are how to apply border and shading, alignments, options, and calculations in a table. So watch the video for this and practice it. Students, open your computer textbook. See page number 48. There is one table given with common Hindi names of spices. I have already made the table with common Hindi names of spices, and with the help of this table we will learn our today's topics. So open page number 45. Our today's topics is first is applying border and shading. So the steps to apply border to a table are as follows. First step is select the cells on which you want to apply a border. So you can select cells or select the entire table. I want to apply border and shading on entire table, so I am selecting the entire table from here. Then under the table tools, this is table tools, click the design tab. This is design tab. In the borders group, click the borders drop down menu. See here, borders drop down menu arrow, and then choose from the following. Click one of the predefined border set. These all are predefined border set. Or click border and shading. The border and shading dialog box appear. If you want to give border and shading of your choice, then click here border and shading, and then the dialog box will appear. Now click the border tab. Here you can see borders, page borders and shading. Here are 3 tabs. So click on border tab, then choose the option you want. If you want to give only the box of your table, means outside boundary of your table, then click on box. If you click on all borders, means these all borders, all row and column border, then click on all. I click on all button here, all option, then choose the desired border style. If I want to give this border style, then click here, then choose the desired color, line color. Any color you like from the drop down list. Then select a line width from the width drop down list. Here it is 3 point. So select the width. Now in the shading option, shading tab, click on shading tab. Select the desired shading color from here, fill option. Then if you have already selected border and shading, then click on OK button. Now see here, our table is designed with our choice of border and shading. So like this you have to apply border and shading on your table. Then changing the alignment of the text. If you want to change the alignment, see here, the text is, you can see the text in the left side of the corner. If you want to change the alignment of the text, then first select the text. I want to give this text in the middle alignment. So I have already selected the headings of this table. Then click on layout button. You can see the alignment options here. So the headings are always on the center. So I click on center. See, the headings are in the center. And then select the text. You can see here the different alignments. This is the top left align. This is middle left. See the changes. This is bottom left. This is top and middle. This is center. Center of the cell. Bottom, middle. This is right, upper right, middle right and bottom right. So you can select your desired alignment from the here. See here. Now our next topic is inserting picture in a table cell. You can insert a picture in a table cell. The steps are as follows. First, click in the cell where you want to insert a picture. So I click here. I want to insert first picture. Children, I have already downloaded these pictures. Means jeera, hing, ilaichi. I have already downloaded and saved in my desktop. So you can download and save first and then insert in the table. So first click on this cell, then click on insert tab. In the illustration group, see here, in the illustration group, click the picture option. The insert picture dialog box appears. Then browse and select the picture to be inserted. As I have told you, I already downloaded these pictures. So first is Qmin. So select the picture and insert. See here, the picture is inserted and then you can adjust the size of the picture. So you can decrease the size from this decrease and increase from these points. And from here you can move the picture. Click on this layout options and click on square button. From here you can move the picture. Then second picture, hing. So again click on this cell, insert option, picture button, picture option, then hing. Second is hing. So select this picture and insert. So like this you can insert the pictures in the table. Third picture, ilaichi. I am inserting only 3 pictures because this is I want to show you, but you can insert all the pictures. You have to insert all the pictures here and make the table complete. So like this you can insert picture, you can apply border and shading, then you can align the text. So children, you have to make this table and practice it. This table is in the page number 48 in your book. Our next topic is calculation in a table. You can perform simple calculations on the numeric data entered in a Word 2013 table. This has been explained below using an example. First is create a Word 2013 table shown here. You can see here a table is created. Click in the cell of first column. This is our first column. So click in the cell of the first column and last row where we will obtain the sum of all the values. We want the sum of this all the values here. So click here. Then click the layout tab under the table tools. This is table tools and in the click the layout tab. Then click formula in the data group. In the data group click on formula button, formula option. The formula dialog box appears. See here. This is the formula dialog box. Notice that the formula of the sum, that is sum, then bracket and above, sum of above. is already displayed. If not, then type this formula in this dialog box. If it is not displayed, then type here. First is equal to. See, always any formula you want to apply on the table, it will start from equal to button. Equal to sum of means bracket, equal to sum of above means we want the sum of above options here, above numbers. So this is the formula, is equal to sum of above, and then click on OK button. See here, 138 is the total of the above number. So like this you can calculate the sum in the table. The result of the formula will immediately appear in the cell of the table. So like this you can calculate the simple calculations in a table in the Word 2013. So children, practice it.